Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'll be walking you through how to permanently delete your Instagram account using Chrome, whether you're on your mobile device or your computer. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to remove your Instagram account for good, and you'll understand each step so there's no confusion or accidental clicks along the way. So if you're ready to take a break from Instagram or you simply need a fresh start, I've got you covered. Let's get started right away. The first thing you'll want to do is open Chrome and head over to Instagram.com. It doesn't matter if you're on your phone or your PC. The steps are going to look almost identical, which is great for convenience. Once you're on the site, make sure you're logged into the Instagram account you want to delete. If you have several accounts, double-check that you're in the right one. Deletion is permanent, and there's no reversing it once you go through these steps. Now, once you're logged in, look for the More menu. On desktop, this is usually down at the bottom left, the icon with 3 horizontal lines. If you're on mobile using Chrome, it might be up in the main menu or tucked away, so don't worry if it takes a second to find. Go ahead and tap or click on More. This is your gateway to all of the advanced settings that you typically wouldn't see. From here, select Settings. This is the same whether you're browsing from your phone or computer. Inside Settings, what you want to look for next is Account Center. It may feel a little hidden, but Instagram uses this section to manage identities across its platforms, like Facebook and Messenger. Click through to Account Center, and from there, find the Personal Details option. This might seem a bit counterintuitive, but this is actually where your account ownership options live. So click on Account Ownership and Control. Now, this is where things get important. Here, you'll see the option for deactivation or deletion. Take a breath and make sure you read everything on this screen carefully. Instagram will lay out the difference between deactivating, which hides your account but lets you come back later, and deleting, which is permanent and wipes everything out forever. Since we're going for deletion, tap on Delete Account. You'll be asked to select which account if you have more than one, just to make sure you're deleting the right one. Double check, especially if you switch between personal and business profiles. Click on the account you want to delete. Instagram will then ask you to confirm this choice. Expect to enter your password as an extra layer of security. This is to make absolutely certain that it's really you making this decision, and not someone who's just messing with your device. Follow the on-screen prompts, reading each message as you go. Instagram will warn you again about permanent deletion and offer a last chance to change your mind. Once you confirm, your account goes into the deletion process. Typically, Instagram gives you a grace period of about 30 days before everything is erased, just in case you log in and decide to cancel the deletion. But after that, your data is gone for good. And that's it. You've deleted your Instagram account from Chrome, whether on mobile or your PC. Remember, this process is meant to be secure and thoughtful, so don't rush. If any step is confusing, go back to review or pause this video. If you ran into any trouble, or if you've got questions on social media privacy, feel free to drop a comment below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward, honest guides on topics just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.